Cam sucks at drifting. Oh, that's my hero, man. I love him. No homo.
So bad.
It's okay.
You have breakfast, dude.
Hey, it's all about the smiles. If it made him happy, let him do his thing, man.
Alright, so basically, I just did what I did with the side skirt, and I had a fiberglass resin hardener. Just kept layering it until it's one piece. And I'm just waiting for it to dry, and then we're gonna move on and do Bondo. Of course, I gotta sand it down with 220 grit, and then go over it once I'm done primering it with 320.
My friend Yev, he bought this 180SX. It came with this J-Bug kit. It was really sick, but he just didn't care for it.